Snowy Cat can hardly wait to share with you what he put in the mystery bag today. He did this by himself today, so we're going to begin, okay? Mystery bag clue number 1. I made it myself. Okay, remember I told you Snowy Cat made the cards today? Mystery bag clue number 2. I used paper, markers, and crayons. Well, that doesn't give us very much information either, but you can tell he's proud of himself. Mystery bag clue number 3. It's all about something that can be a liquid, a solid, and a gas. Okay, does that help you? We just watched a video about something, so maybe it's about that. Let's see what he made. Okay, so it is like a little poster. Let's see. Let's get this unrolled. See what it says. Okay, let me see if I can put this. Okay. It says water cycle. Okay. So it is about water and the water cycle. So it says down here, evaporation. That's where the water evaporates and goes up. It becomes a gas. Then condensation, it comes in together and it forms clouds, and then we have precipitation. So that's when it becomes it comes down, it rains down in either in the form of snow or rain. Okay, so this is what you want them to draw today? I think my idea is going to win out on this one. So I'm going to have them draw this today. So we're going to draw the water cycle. And if you go ahead and open your spiral notebook, find a blank page at the top. I'm not going to have you do it as complicated as Snowy Cat did. I want us to do it a little bit simpler. But at the top, you're going to write the word water, W-A-T-E-R, and then cycle, C-Y-C-L-E. And we won't use all those big words today. What I want you to start with at the top is make a circle about that big. Okay, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 lines in it, okay? And then you're going to make another one over here. And if you need someone in your family to help you make these circles, that is perfectly all right. I'm a lot older than you, and I've had a lot more practice at doing things like this. So don't get frustrated. Ask for help, okay? It's always better to ask for help, especially for something like this. But this is how you want to start off with the circles, because you want to show the water cycle as a continuous thing. So in between each of these now, I'm drawing an arrow, okay? So to show that it's a continuous cycle, it's something that never stops. Okay, so if you need to pause the video to get this set up, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to keep going. Okay, so in the middle, by the way, I want you to draw a big drop of water, our happy water guy from the video, and it kind of looks like Snowy Cat's happy water person on his drawing. And then draw your happy raindrop. That's your happy water. Okay, so down here you're going to put kind of a water line that looks like the ocean, and draw a sun, and you can put a happy face in your sun if you want. And see how I'm leaving room? I want to show how the sun, when the sun hits the water is going to start the evaporation process, which I'm going to draw some squiggly kind of arrows here. Remember that the evaporation, it's vapors, they're a gas. You can't really see them, so I'm going to draw some just light floaty kind of looking vapors going up right there. And then the next thing that's going to happen is they turn into a cloud, but they're not close together yet. Okay, they just start to form, so the cloud is still light. It could either evaporate from there, or it could get heavier and heavier. And how that works, on this one, you're going to draw lots and lots of water drops in this circle over here. This is when there's so many that the cloud gets so heavy. And I read something that a cloud can weigh more than an airplane, but it stays up in the air because it's full of gas and air. And then that's why something that weighs as big as an airplane can be up in the sky. But it has a lot of water, it has a lot of gases in it. Okay, so then the next step is you're going to make both a water here, but here's another thing too, and if you can kind of make, I'm making the six-sided figure. This is a snowflake because remember, water can also be a solid, not just a liquid. So sometimes when it's really cold out, instead of getting rain coming down, you're going to get snow coming out of the sky. And then here, if you could put the water again down here, but this time I want you to put raindrops, okay? And if you like, you can draw an umbrella right here to show that it's coming down. So the rain comes down, fills up the oceans again, fills up our lakes and rivers. The snow comes down and fills snow in the mountains, and then that melts, and that's how we get our water again, okay? So that is the water cycle there. So once you finish drawing all of this, and remember, use your eraser. Your eraser is your best friend, and go ahead and draw this. You'll see the water cycle there, and give yourself a big exit ticket. And good job today. It was fun sharing this with you. Oh, you want me to share it one more time? Okay, one more time I'll share this because he worked so hard on it. At the top it says water cycle, and then it starts with evaporation, the water going up, and the sun is right there too. And then you have the condensation, which is in the waters getting closer together in the clouds. And then you have precipitation, which is when the rain or the snow is coming down. And yes, you did a great job on that. All right, say goodbye to the boys and girls for now.